the Facebook dating button showing up and you want it gone, here's how to remove it from your Facebook app. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the Facebook dating button. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your Facebook app. Tap on the three lines on the top left. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Under Preferences, tap on Tab Bar. Tap on Customize the bar. Find the dating bar and tap on the Auto button on the right. Tap on Hide to remove it from your navigation bar. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me and this channel. And before you go, do check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.